Hey everyone, Matthew Reitenbach here at our altafiber store in Kenwood. Gonna do a little unboxing with some new Sonos products for this holiday. Here with my man Dillon Mitchell with UC.
Go Bearcats.
Yeah.
It's enough, just enough.
All right, man. You stand
No,
up?
I'm not standing on nothing.
Anyway, you know anything about Sonos?
I think I do. I think I have a soundbar system at home in my living room.
Okay, you like it?
I love it.
Well, they just came out with this and this. So they've got the Sonos Roam 2. It's the second version. First one came out. They did some nice updates to the speaker, make it a little easier to connect to Bluetooth. So if you're I want everyone to hear my music kind of guy,
okay,
or you're I'm just gonna jam to Britney Spears on my own time, you can wear this.
Okay.
You a Britney guy?
No, I'm not a Britney guy.
That's not what you warm up to? I misread that. I misread that. That's on me, man. So basically, the Sonos Ace, this is the first headphone that Sonos has ever come out with. So it's kind of a rival to the Apple Air Max. So let's take a look at this. You an over-the-ear kind of guy? Are you in the ear or over the head?
Over.
See, that's how I know I'm old. I'm more of
in the ear?
I
feel squished.
Squished?
It's just over the ear.
Well, we don't want you squished, man. We don't want you squished. So nice little case that it comes with. That's pretty nice. Nice little... Take that on the road with you, you know. Got a nice little case. Once you put these bad boys on, man, so you tell me how these feel.
They even got the right, left. Okay. Oh, these are comfy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You like those?
So they fit right around the ear.
So they got noise canceling. You can hear. They got noise canceling. So when they're on,
I can't hear you. I don't know what you're saying.
I'm not saying anything, man. So they have noise canceling. So as people are talking to you, it'll stop it here. You can take phone calls on them. It'll connect to your Sonos app if you like. It works with Bluetooth. It works over Wi-Fi. Really fantastic device. It's really comfortable. You know, the nice thing is too, someone like yourself, after practice, you probably sweat a little bit.
I do. You
can replace these. So if they get all junky, so you don't have to buy a new pair. You just buy these online. Just magnetize, come off really easy, which are pretty sweet. Then you got this one.
This is something for the locker room.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
You know,
before a big game.
Right before a big game. You know, when you're playing Xavier, after you win, and you're like, oh, what's a good fight song you could play? You can pull this bad boy out. Nice and small. Feel that. It's pretty light.
Oh, real light.
Fit in your bag. Yeah. Not a big deal. So this is called the Sonos Roam 2. We got one that's in white. Really nice. One of the updates that they made it is you don't have to put this on Wi-Fi first. You can literally, out of the box, just do Bluetooth. It'll also connect to your Sonos network, which is great. Go golfing, anywhere, outdoor proof. Throw this around. Throw it to your buddies. Locker room. Hey, we won. Hey, what's going on? Caught it. Nice job.
This is right after a big game.
No, that's true.
Need that.
All right, you got hands. All right, I'll give you that. All right. We got both these products. Thanks, Dillon. Appreciate your time. Go Bearcats. Sonos, altafiber for the holidays. Come and see us and check us out.